Hi guys, kumusta kayo? Nais ko lang sabihin sa inyo guys na one of the beginner content creator na totoo nga yung sinasabi nila na that when you see a video or watch the video in the reels, then finish it, then make a comment based on the video. Totoo nga tataas nga yung engagement nyo, then dadami pang followers nyo. That's why I advise you guys na yung mga dadaan sa wall nyo, finish the video, then make a comment based sa yung based sa video na pinapanood nyo. Bago kayo mag-comment, tapusin nyo muna, finish it, then comment, and make a, kung kaya, kung share nyo, then wag nyo yung scroll lang kayo. No, kasi yung engagement mo wala, hindi tataas yun. Kasi based on my experience dati, kasi yung yung nasa Facebook ko na mga followers only 1,000, I think like that. Then now he's going up almost 3,000.7 already. But I'm not telling you guys na I monetize already my account sa monetization, hindi pa. Pero yun lang, bis lang, ang gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, that advice to you, that when you see a video, finish it, then comment. Yan lang guys, maraming salamat.